I don't know how they run so fast without not like the others that have big motor. It have a weight in it, and the motor is full.
But David, this one has lights on the inside.
Yes, this car does have lights. I've been running 80 miles an hour. That's fast, you know. That's fast, and you hear it clack, 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 clack.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. No, you supposed to go right or wrong, you know. But the clock start giving trouble.
Oh, you used to go right around here?
Yeah, right or wrong. I've been in theaters. But the clock start giving, I'm not buying new clocks, man. The clock, yeah.
Ooh, that's real speed now, man.
Yes. It goes, in the cheap one, $9.99. Look, this is $9.99. And they're made for children.
Yeah.
You know? These now don't run as fast, but they have motor and motor. The stop and start and stop and stop. I'll show you what I mean. Let me see. This is number 4.
Now you see number 4 looks very similar, which was the 21 class.
Right, that's why I bought it.
And but unfortunately, if it only had one more wheel on the front,
wheel will be the exact.
That could have been the exact thing.
Yes.
That's a very, very strikingly similar model.
So
very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's a very unorthodox way of.
Yeah,
lovely, man. Look at that.
Yeah.
So you see it hisses?
Yeah. When it come along, you hear the hissing sound.
Okay.
Yes. Number 3 used to go faster, but number 3 break down, man.
It's a lovely runner, man.
Yeah. You hear?
Yeah.
You hear the hissing sound?
That's a lovely little runner.
Yeah.
But those aren't the Harriman coaches, are they?
No, the Harriman coaches wasn't right there.
Yeah. Oh, yes. These are the Harriman.
They don't have no light. They're not lighted. Now these, they had no windows like that. You know, they had a white paper with a drawing of a person in it.
Right.
And they had no seats.
Right.
Is I put in the seats?
Oh.
Yeah. I said, but I tore out the paper and I put in my own seat. I want the thing that you need, you know.
Yeah. No, that looks really, really good.
Yeah. You hear the hissing?
Yep.
Sucks.
So David made these coaches, which are very similar to the Trinidad Government Railway coaches that we had.
Yeah.
And you can see the diagrams here, which, what you made those out of?
Old socks.
Old socks. So here we have one here. This is a Harriman.
Yeah.
This is an example of what looks pretty similar actually to what ran in Trinidad.
The color it's not as close, but I'd rather get a real color, but this is one here.
Yeah, that looks pretty similar.
Yes. But they had no flag at the time, eh?
No, of course.
I put the flag.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a good job.
Fast, this is good. 90.
I find that thing runs beautifully, man.
Yeah.
Has a nice authentic sound to it.
Yeah. Look good at 90. Way too slow, but at 90. It's heavy, you know, it's heavy.
Yeah, you can tell that, eh?
Yeah. I put up 70. 70 is one fast. Now this, when it's fast to 70, that's the one for this to have that speed, you had a one at 90.
Wow.
Yeah. I think they have traction to get stiff.
You're running good there now.
Yeah. I put up 70.